peeps, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start planning in 3 easy steps. It's really not that complicated. So if you want to see more, stick around. Planning has become an art form, basically, but it really doesn't have to be that complicated. So let's just jump right into this video. Step number 1, gather your supplies. The first thing you're going to need is some form of calendar. Now, for me, I prefer paper and pen. If you would like to know more on how to choose your personal planner that's right for you, I will leave a video for you on that right here. So one of the first items that you need is some sort of calendar. The second thing that you will need is a pen. Then the third thing that you will need is your phone. Second step to the easy planning is gather all your materials. So you want to get together all your appointments, all the holidays, all the invitations, gather anything that you need to get done that's date or time sensitive and plug it in to your calendar. Then also write down any tasks that need to get done that month, but they are not date specific. For example, oil change. So you know that you need that done this month, but you don't need to do it on a specific day. I like to write it on the column on the left or right side of the calendar so that I will keep that in mind when I'm writing out all of my appointments and scheduling my events. But once you get on that phone with that doctor or whatever, grab your calendar and your pen, because as soon as they tell you, can you come in on this day or that day, plug it in. And then as soon as you do it, put an X by that or line it out, letting yourself know that that's done and you don't need to worry about it anymore. Pro tip. Always want to remember that this is going to help you with your life. So one thing that I like to do is keep my goals in view. Keep it in front of me so that I can remember it. Like, you don't want to spend $100 on a dress that you're only going to a party one day when you know that the end game is to save money to buy yourself a car. So you definitely want to keep your goals in mind. And I like to put this little section at the bottom or somewhere in my calendar as a reminder to myself that my main goal is to buy myself a new car. Pro tip. I like to keep a little thankful thought somewhere on my calendar to remind me that there are good things happening and there is some good, and to keep that in mind or stay focused on the positive. The next thing that I like to do when I'm writing everything down is go to the notes section or get a blank piece of paper and then just start jotting down all the tasks that you need done. Say, for example, you need to do your laundry, you need to call your mom, you need to stop at the library, or you need to go grocery shopping. Pro tip. When I'm writing down my tasks, I like to categorize them. So say if it's an errand, a place that I have to go, I write those together. If it's something that I can do or need to do at home, like a task, like doing the dishes, cleaning my room, cleaning the kitchen, doing laundry, I put those under tasks or to-dos and put that in a category or piece of paper all on its own. Then, say if it's something that it's a dream for me, something that's a goal that I need to make a plan of action for, I put goals at the top and then I write down all my goals. Someday I want to visit Paris. Someday I want to, like I said, buy myself that new car. I write that at the top and then I just write down any ideas that pop into my head, steps towards your goal, your action plan, basically. Then the last and final step to getting things done is to just do it. Just do it. Don't waste time. Don't procrastinate. Don't sit there thinking about it. That's the final step to getting your life together. I really hope that this video was helpful. If it was, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, happy planning, everyone. Bye.